Baratza Encore Coffee Grinder Review, the ultimate entry-level grinder. A quality coffee grinder can make all the difference in your home brewing experience, and the Baratza Encore Coffee Grinder is a standout choice. Recognized by the Specialty Coffee Association, it's an award-winning grinder that's a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home barista, this grinder offers a combination of performance, versatility, and durability. Key features. The Baratza Encore is designed for simplicity and efficiency. With a compact footprint of 5.91 inches in length, 5.12 inches wide x 13.39 inches in height, it's perfect for any kitchen. Its 40 grind settings, powered by 40 mm commercial-grade conical burrs, make it compatible with various brewing methods including espresso, Aeropress, Chemex, and French press. Operating the grinder is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly front-mounted pulse button and simple on/off switch. Built with hardened alloy steel burrs and a powerful DC motor, it ensures consistent grinding and longevity. The sleek design, available in black or white, adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Pros and cons. Pros. The compact design fits any countertop. 40 grind settings for versatile brewing options. Durable build with high-quality materials. Easy to use with intuitive controls. Backed by a 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. Cons. Slightly noisy during operation. Higher price point compared to basic blade grinders. The Baratza Encore Coffee Grinder delivers exceptional value for coffee lovers looking to upgrade their brewing game. Its consistent grind quality, ease of use, and durable construction make it a reliable addition to any kitchen. While it may cost more than entry-level blade grinders, its performance and versatility justify the investment. Ready to elevate your coffee experience? The Baratza Encore is worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.